Hello and welcome. This is a sound called how to make a smoked meat sandwich with mayonnaise, mustard, and barbecue sauce. First thing you gotta do is go ahead, spread the mayo on each slice of bread with a knife. And then go here, here, and then you put on the smoked meat. And then go ahead and put the meat onto the bread. And then gotta shake it up. Mustard. Go ahead, do the mustard. Then after that, you do the barbecue sauce. Then put and voila! Here is your smoked meat sandwich with mayonnaise, mustard, and barbecue sauce. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.